We are in Cambodia, Siem Reap, at the Way Spiritual Energy Center. I would like to tell you a little bit more about our workshops and our retreats. But before I do that, we are in a community, in a village, and you can hear the children playing and laughing, and also of course surrounded by beautiful forests, and so there's bird song and animal life around us. So it makes for a very special environment. Our workshops are based on the book that has recently been written, The Butterfly Path. And this book is represented in all our retreats. The cat is biting me. So during the workshops, we deal a lot with the butterfly path. And this literally is a mind map of everything that we have done during that 2.5 days. So we talk about the purpose of life, a question that we always ask. It gets answered here. We talk about karma, that is not a reward nor a punishment, but simply lessons. So very different from what we are taught in the West. We're looking at our minds, the anatomy of our being, our physical bodies, our soul minds, our spiritual minds. It brings a whole new dimension in how we understand ourselves. Our senses. We are moving to times when we are not connected with our senses anymore. Yet we are sensual and sexual beings. It is essential that we are connecting with that and we know what it is that we are. So when we're looking at all of this, we're looking at knowledge, wisdom, forgiveness, peace, so many different topics that we deal with when we work with the butterfly path. Of course, we go through intensive discussions and examples of our different chakras, the soul minds, the spirit minds, but a lot of focus on Anahata. Anahata is our portal, essential to who we are and who we want to become. Without Anahata, without that wisdom and that love in Anahata, we will not be able to go through our metamorphosis to actually set free our butterfly. So we're looking at all of this as a guide and as almost as an instruction manual, a how-to go onto our butterfly path with peace and joy and happiness. So literally 2.5 days of the butterfly path will help us to put you on that track where you know that I have a purpose, I have peace, I have harmony, and my love is filled, my heart is filled with love and joy. So do join us. We hope you'll see you at one of our workshops. You'll love it. If you look to go to our TripAdvisor reviews, for argument's sake, you will see that most people have had a profound experience and walk away with wisdom and insight that they carry with them for many years to come. Hope to see you soon.